Hi everyone, join me as we make this beautiful turban with side ruffles. And this is the measurement I use just for my ruffles. Welcome to class. I have these pieces cut out. I have 3 of it. It measures 8 inches by 60 inches. And sorry, I already have the base, the turban. I've already done it. I have the video, which I'll be dropping in my description box. I'll be dropping it so that you can watch it. So here I have 8 inches by 60 in 3 places. So what we're going to be doing here, just to be folding the edges round, and we'll sew it round. Just as you can see, you fold it round, you sew all the sides, the long side and the small side. You just sew it round. We'll do that for the 3 of the materials. I've done that here. As you can see, I've already done that to the 3 of the pieces. So the next thing to do here is to form our ruffles. Just run your gathers through, from the middle. Just get your middle point. If you can't get your middle point, because you have to run that line straight on the middle, you can fold the materials into 2 or use a chalk to draw a straight line on the wrong side of the fabric down, so that you can run your gathers on that line. So I will do that for the 3 of the pieces. I'm running my gathers now. I'll do that for the 3. Hey, please, my people, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you can be getting beautiful videos and notification whenever I have new videos to drop. And don't forget to also like, comment and share, so that it can reach others. Thank you so much for the love. So here I've done my ruffles, and as you can see, I've done that for the 3 of the pieces. That is what you are seeing here. So the next thing to do is to put them on each other and just sew it together with your needle and thread. Put it on each other and sew with your needle and thread. That is exactly what I will do. I'll tack them on each other. I think I did it one after the other, but if you can put the 3 together and just tack it, that will be fine. So that is how I'm doing it, just tacking it. I am done tacking the 3 together. You can see how bulky and full our ruffles. And I don't know if to call this rose or ruffles, but it's rose ruffles. So here I'm trying to determine the position, the best position. I check the center, I check the side. I realize that the side is giving it for me, so I decide to stick it, attach it to the side of the turban, and that is what I've done. I also attach and apply to the sides of the turban. Thank you for always. This is me sending a huge love and plenty kisses. Thank you for now. Bye.